Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Isaac, and in this video I want to show you how I generate over $6,000, this close to $7,000 right here, in sales for an e-commerce brand within 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. Over $6,000 for a new e-commerce brand within 30 days. But before we proceed, let me reload this dashboard so you can see everything is plain and transparent. All right. So there is it. These the details. These the details in the last 7 days. So I'm going to take this up and scroll down to the last 30 days. So yeah, these are total numbers of sales, 76 sales, which equals $6,816 within 30 days. So this is the thing that I did for the brand. So you can see from campaign, total numbers of sales generated from email campaign over $5,000, and for email automation over $1,000. In case you are wondering how many email lists do we have on for this new store, we only have we only have 1,000, as you can see right here, 1,450 total email subscribers. So it's not a brand that have big subscribers yet. So with just 1,450 subscribers, I am able to help this brand generate over $6,000 in sales within 30 days. That sounds amazing. So imagine what will happen by the time we grow from 1,000 email subscriber to 10,000 email subscribers. Of course, we'll be doing a lot of figures by then. But that is not what I still want to show you right here. You can see total numbers of sales generated from campaign, and this is sales generated on the e-commerce store. So out of $28,000, $6,000 were from email marketing. Now I want you to think of something. Imagine this brand that is less than 90 days does not have email marketing in place. Like they did not hire me to help them set up this email marketing. That means they would have lost 6,000 plus dollars in the last 30 days. That's the meaning. Which means if you are yet to set up email marketing for your business, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. If you are not sending campaigns, newsletters to your email subscribers, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. If you don't have email automation that will keep following up your list while you are not available, that will target, that will nurture and convert your list for you, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. And that's it, as you can see right here on my screen. All right. So it's as simple as that. That's the exact thing I want to show you. So if you want a result like this, I'm not saying you are going to have the same result like this, but if you also want to generate more sales, more revenue, more profit in your e-commerce business, consider setting up email marketing. Anyways, I already have a framework that I use for all of my clients. This framework will help them to convert the traffic coming into their website. We are going to use this framework to convert the traffic into a traffic they can control. That is, we turn some of the traffic into email subscribers, just as you've seen, and also we use email campaign to sell to them, just as you've seen here, and we also nurture them with a series of email automations based on the action that they take on the website. I have a framework that explains all this. Depending on your site, I can also help you do a quick audit on your e-commerce store and help you map out an exact framework that will work for you. What are you waiting for? All you have to do is to send me a message. Send me a message, and I'm going to help you to do all of this thing. All right. So it will be very great working with you. And I assure you that you are going to refer more persons when your sales skyrocket.